Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. So all of us are always on the lookout for instant snack recipes for that 4 p.m. hunger. Today's recipe is going to be one among them. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before you move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment.
So let's look at the ingredients. I've got 4 slices of white bread in here. I've also got some chopped coriander leaves, minced green chilies, chopped onions, minced ginger, and in here I've got salt to taste, baking soda and some rice flour. Apart from this, we'll also need some water and oil to fry the vadas in. So let's start making the dish. So we have to break down the bread into crumbs. For that you can either use your hands to do this or you can put it in the mixie and make it into crumbs. I'm using my hands here. So first we'll just break it down into smaller pieces like this and then gradually into breadcrumbs. So now you can see that it has become crumbs. We'll add in salt, the baking soda and the rice flour into this. We'll also add the rest of the ingredients. That's onion, ginger, coriander leaves and green chilies. We'll just mix everything together. And now we'll add water gradually, little by little, and then make it into a dough. So be very careful with the water, because if you add too much water, the bread will soak everything and then it will be very difficult to make the vada. So I'll add in 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of water into this. Now we'll mix it. Do not knead it too much, just bring everything together, that's all is required. So mix everything together until it becomes a nice dough. So I've got the dough ready in here. So we'll make the vadas out of this. For that, I've taken a little bit of water here. I'll just wet my hands like this. Take a ball of the dough. Roll it in your palms. Smoothen it out and then flatten it into a peda. Now shape the edges. Dip your finger in water and then make a hole like you do in a medu vada. Shape it nicely into a vada. And it's ready. We'll make the rest of them in the same way. So the vadas are shaped and ready. Now I've got a kadai with oil heating up in it. It's on medium flame. We'll drop the vadas one by one into the oil. Do 1 or 2 at a time so that they can cook properly. So fry them until they are golden brown in color and remove into a plate.
So the bread vada is done. You can serve this with some chutney or ketchup. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll come back again with some new recipes. Until then, bye bye.